Indicators here. Top of the morning. So, we are in 10. I don't know why I said 3. We are in 10 micros here. And I'm on the 1 minute chart here. We missed this beautiful buy signal right here. And it just flew straight up. Bright green candles. This met all our criteria. And I could walk through this trade real quick, why this was so good. This one was at 5:50 a.m. This did not meet all our criteria, which I can make another video about if you guys really want to see. But this buy signal really met all our criteria. I'll actually walk you through that, and then I'll explain why we're in this trade here. Because I think we're going to keep dropping. So you got the buy signal. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data we're seeing in the background, meaning, oh, beautiful. We just got a sell signal. Love that. Just got a sell signal. This is part of the Maverick signals. If you're a Maverick AI Pro bundle, if you have the Maverick AI Pro bundle, if you're a lifetime member, you're going to get this by the end of the weekend for free. So I'm very happy to see this sell signal right here. So we got this buy signal, and the Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data we're seeing in the background. What does that mean? Bright green candles is your strongest upside candle, okay? Gray means indecision or reversal. This is middle of the night trading, so we're on the 1 minute, so I got to get through all this 1 a.m. trading. But if you look at, before we got too late in the night, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle, okay? So bright green is your strongest upside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. There's only 5 colors. But what the Maverick AI Pro allows you to do is see the data behind the candles. What do I mean by that? Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. Red is your second strongest downside candle. Gray is indecision or reversal. And green is up. And then bright green is your strongest. But we started to get into late hours. No one's trading there. But what's cool is you see how the market is reacting. Like, is it cooling off to the downside? Now it's reversing. Very, very powerful. There's only 5 colors you got to remember, and they're very easy to remember. But the reason why this trade was so beautiful is because you had a buy signal. You broke above the blue line. When price is above this blue line, we love to go long. Okay, when price is above this blue line, that's the Maverick guy, we love to go long. When price is below the blue line, we love to go short. Okay, and now I'm getting red candles. I love that. Okay, so we'll talk about that trade in a second. So we broke above the blue line. You have bright green candles. If, what are we saying? If you see bright green, it might fly right off your screen. High momentum candles. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up confidence arrows screaming at you to get in. Screaming at you to get in. These are confidence arrows. Your Maverick Bear Bull this measures who's in control, the bears or the bulls. And right here, this whole way up, it was saying the bulls were in control. It's a very cool, looks at order flow, looks at a bunch of stuff. Very, very cool formula. And then your Maverick Trender. When your Maverick Trender is pegged to the top right here, this line, when this line is pegged to the top and it can't go any further, this is showing massive strength and momentum. And you probably most likely had an uptrend label. So like everything lined up. It was beautiful. This is how we stack probability. Well, let's come over here to our current trade. Okay. We broke and closed below the blue line. We are below the Maverick guide. We got a sell signal. We have red background. We've gone from bright green candles, which is your strongest upside candle, to green, your second strongest upside data, to gray reversal candles. And now you're getting red. Red is your second strongest downside candle. Hot pink is your strongest, okay? Getting a little bit of retracement here. We're within the first minute of the new 5-minute candle. I'm on a 1-minute candle, but you guys know I sit on my hands the first and the last minute of a 5-minute candle, okay? This is also a support area right here. Right here is a pretty decent beefy support area. So we'll see how this reacts here. All right. So red background, got a sell signal. We are below the blue line. We've gone from gray reversal candles to red candles. You have had, since we broke back below the blue line, you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down confidence arrows. That's insane. 9 down confidence arrows screaming at you to get in. The bears have been in control since 7:10, so about 12 minutes now. It broke back up above, but then it came back down. The bears have been in control. This is our Maverick Bear Bull indicator, and it measures who's in control, the bulls or the bears. And it's just another point of data that we stack probability in our favor. If I have a red background, if I have down confidence arrows, if I am below the blue line, if I have a changing color of my candles, if the bear bull is saying the bears are in control, I'm stacking probability in my favor, right? All right, Maverick trender from here to here. Now you did lose your trend because you're getting a little bit of retracement, but remember, we're on the 1 minute. We're not on the 10 minute or the 30 minute. We're on the 1 minute. This is life on the 1 minute chart, right? Up and down, up and down, up and down. But we're pretty still far from the Maverick guide. Maverick trender completely pegged to the top this whole move down. Strength and momentum. When this line is pegged to the top and it can't go any further, strength and momentum. Look at the last time right here. Strength and momentum, okay? These little peaks we ignore. We look for these long flat tops. We love these flat tops, okay? And it will give you a label if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. And then finally our Maverick Multi-X. 5 traders. Think of T1 through T5 as traders. Trader 1 through Trader 5, and they all have a completely different style, completely different preference, the whole 9. And they are voting every single tick. Are they bullish or are they bearish on multiple time frames? And you can set these time frames for whatever you want. You can add a 7th time frame. I have these set for the 1 minute through the 15, but you can set these for the 30 minute, the 4 hour, the 6 hour, whatever you want if you're a swing trader. And they're casting their vote along the way. Okay, so when I see all 5 traders absolutely, in agreement that the 1 minute is bearish, the 2 minute is all bearish, the 3 minute, think about that. All 5 traders have a completely different trading style. If they're all saying the 1 minute's bearish, the 2 minutes bearish, the 3 minutes bearish, the 5 minutes is bearish, it's like trading with 5 other traders in the room. And I know some folks like to have, 10 charts up on their computer. That doesn't make me feel smart. It makes me feel dumb. I'm trying to read them all at once. We just stack probability. Red background, sell signal, gray reversal candles to red candles. The bear bull is saying bears have been in control. You're getting a little retracement, but that's okay. Maverick trender pegged to the top most of this way. And then the Maverick Multi-X was pretty solid red on the 1 minute, the 2, the 3, and the 5. So now we just wait it out. I'm going to risk very little. We risk very little on these trades, okay? If you always risk a small amount, again, not financial advice, do your own research, but my take on it is if you just risk small amounts and get stopped out, but then get back in, like these tiny little stop outs, that's what keeps you alive. When people get a prop firm, they pass a funded account. We've passed plenty of them. Go to our website and you can see a ton of past accounts using our indicators. It's like people get a funded account and then they blow it the first trade. It's like, you have like so much drawdown on a $50,000 account. How did you blow it on a first trade? Just trade some micros, start just making $200, $300, $400 a day. Like, why do you got to try and make $25,000 the first day? That's just crazy. All right, so now we just let this thing play out, slowing down. It's 7:26 a.m. We're still below the Maverick guide. Okay, it's still a red background. It says that bulls are stepping in a little bit, but you could see this. This came down, bulls stepped in for about 3 minutes. Then they came down, We're at about 2 minutes of bullish activity. Big deal. And the Maverick guide is really our line in the sand. Okay, that's really our line in the sand. All 5 traders still bearish on the 2 minute, the 3 minute, most of the 5 minute. And now we're getting a turn of the 1 minute. So this is how you stress-free trade, in my opinion. Again, just my opinion, not financial advice. All right, so what a beautiful move up. I wish I would have seen this. This would have been a bag. Break above the Maverick guide, get the buy signal, just took off. Just absolutely took off. Our Maverick Bear Bull down here was so clean. It was like bullish the whole way. So clean. See all this chop right here? Just chop. And by the way, you guys, sometimes you ask, hey, how do I stay out of chop? I know some folks were commenting. Like when the Maverick guide is flat like this, you either got to wait for it to truly turn over or turn up. But when the Maverick guide is, look at this. When the Maverick guide is flat, just look at the blue line. If the blue line is flat, don't get into anything. Wait for confirmation. When this blue line is flat, don't get in. Wait for confirmation. Here, you would have waited for confirmation, was started to turn up, and you're good. All right. So how many people would have gotten shaken out? Green candle. These candles would have been green. Let me zoom in here. These candles right here would have been green. But the Maverick AI Pro is coloring it to the data, but this would have been a green one. This would have been a green. You would have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles in a row. How many people would have gotten shaken out? We're up $200, $250, risking very, very little. Okay? Very, very little. And again, this Maverick signals indicator and one other indicator, my lifetime members of the Maverick AI Pro bundle, lifetime members, you're getting this for free. I'm going to make an announcement in our on wap.com in our member area shortly here. I just have one other logistical thing to fix. So it's ready to go for you guys so we can get your licenses approved, but we're going to give you that thing for free. That bundle started with just 2 indicators. Then I gave you guys 2 more indicators for free. Then I think I added another 3. Now I'm giving you another 2. This thing's going to have 9 indicators in a bundle. Do the math what that works out. Like what you paid and then what that works out per indicator. That's like the most insane value, okay? So, but why? Because we got to sign up in our office right now that says help as many traders as possible be successful in 2026. So if I can help you guys, I'm all in. All right. All right. So we're getting a little retracement, but I still have a red background. I still have red candles. I have a down confidence arrow right here. We're still below the blue line. Bears are in control here. Maverick trender pegged to the top. Love seeing that. Downtrend label. All 5 traders are voting bearish on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute. So I'm just going to keep watching this trade. I'm going to put my stop loss to break even plus a tick to pay for commissions. And I'm just going to watch this thing and let the Maverick AI Pro, the colors of the candles, the Maverick Bear Bull, Maverick Trender, and the Maverick Multi-X, my 5 traders I'm voting. My 5 traders I'm trading with, I'm just going to let them guide me through this trade. And I'm just going to let it run. All right. I can't lose anything. I'm paying for commissions. I'm good. This is stress-free trading. All right. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, not financial advice, do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying on our website. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. And again, to my lifetime members, I'll be sending out a message later today on how to claim 2 more free indicators that we're going to be putting into that bundle. So I got you. All right. And if you're on the fence, you join today, you're going to get those indicators as well. As long as you fill out the form and all this stuff, we got a little process that we're doing. So anyway, all right, guys, I absolutely hope you crush it today. It's Friday. Trade safe, and let's make 2026 the best year ever. All right. All right. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. ninjacators.com.